Axis Bluechip fund direct plan. NAV is this as of 16 June 2023. By value research rating, it's 3 star. Risk, obviously it's very high. 2-year return is less. So if I just start with overview, and this is the graph between all these three. Risk is like this fund very high. Asset allocation, equity like almost 90%, in debt 10%, or still it's thinking maybe planning to invest maybe in future. That's why 10%, more than 10% kept in debt. This is comparison with some major blue chip fund. ICC Prudential Blue Chip Fund Direct 5 star by value research, 4 star, 4 star, 4 star, all three, all are same, very risky. Returns, these are returns, 1 year graph. If 2 years the return, obviously blue chip is like very less than compared to others in blue chip. If I consider 3 year, again it's very low comparing all others years. Expense ratio wise, it is very less, not less than mere asset large cap fund, but for this all this is less. Return wise, detailed comparison, asset total assets as of 16 June 2023 is 33,644 crore. Exit load 1%, 365 days. These are the like how you can invest. There is some advertisement by Parag Parikh. So yeah, moving to next. What are the returns? Kelvin return. So yeah, 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and all. So 10 year wise, it's almost same with large. That's average of large cap, and this almost little bit more than this index, and this is more than this. Okay, so here it is also fine. 5 year, like almost it's starting going down. 3 years, 18% gone down. 1 year, again it's down from other two. One benchmark and large cap in category, it's like 7 years is 7th ranking category, 35, 63, 87, like I think worst in rating number one. So this like worst. Even 3 years is also worst. 96, 70, 96. So still for 1 day return it's good. 1 month it's started. So return wise, waste, cost. So waste is this percent weekly, and cost is 15%, and this is for per month, like monthly. It's based is this. Also this happened in Feb, obviously at the time of pandemic, and the rest was in 14, 70% within a month it gave. And quarter wise, in again in pandemic it was lost in December, and September it was like waste. Again in March it's waste, and lost with this began and end, began and this May, June. So this March 2021. So its complete year was like golden for this, from 23 March 2020 to 23 March 2021. And worst was this. So yeah, this is discrete returns. If I consider, look at this chart, Bluechip was best comparing to this index and category wise. Here again, I think almost negative 0.05, 0.25. Here it's again this 2 year was bad. 15, 16, 17 was good. 18 is also good as compared to index and category. This is also good. This is also good. In this year it went on, and in this 2022 was disaster, because other index and category wise this is very less. Again further, if I consider here this, if you can see how that perform, return one day it was like this discrete return annually. Rank was very bad, alpha like minus beta. If I compare with peers, so look at this comparison. Axis, Bluechip, all are large cap. These two are Bluechip. This is also, you can consider Bluechip. This large cap basically. Nippon fund size is 33,644 in crore, 37,0186 crore. So fund wise maximum size is this is Prudential, but this expense ratio is very high for this. Rating is also good. After this expense is again high, and this is the fund size, and this is 34, and after this is very less as compared to all this 5 large cap fund. Turnover is this, earlier turnover was less, now it churn lots of stocks from their portfolio. So number of stock, look at this, still concentration and valuation is more still as compared to this. P ratio is high. Number of stocks, you can see in this, total number of stock is 39 only as of 16 June 2023. This and this, top stock in this is 37%. So if you can see here, still Bluechip think about finance is going to grow, because here you can see ICICI Bank invested 9.46%, same as ICICI Bluechip fund, and this is less. Bajaj Finance, nothing investment in by ICICI, and even very less by ICICI Bluechip, but it's still bullish on this. Bajaj Finance, HDFC again, this is also almost same to what invested by ICICI SBI Bluechip, and this is again. So if this stock will go or like expand, then there is a green sign for this axis, because major investment in this Bajaj Finance. And why this time it's not going up, because obviously interest rate is high, so people are not investing in this, like not keeping money in Vajas finance. Why they will keep it? They can keep it in banks, they will get better return there. Avenue supervisor, you can say DMart here. That's again. So this DMart, Bajaj Finance, and even this HDFC for this ISSA, if all anyone will grow, there is a good chance this will grow. Even for TCS, you will get this 4.93 still, and there is no investment by these two, even Nippon large cap. So again, this Reliance, this is more bullish on Reliance ICC. So majorly this finance, like this one is almost same, but Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank compared to this DMart and TCS, anything, even Kotak also, it's almost 4%. But for this compared to this is like very high, and I think there is no investment in Kotak. So Mahindra again, this is high. Housing, this is too much, but this is also fine. Ultratech Cement, like this, like even Nestle India, no investment by these two. So look at this. If this will grow, obviously we will get return of the Titan company. Look at this, no investment by these two. Bazaar, even Hindustan Unilever, very less by these two. Bajaj Finserv, no, nothing by these two. 0.10 by large cap. Pidilite, Info is nothing is here. Asian Paint, nothing. So all these which is not performing from last couple of years, like 1.5 years, all are part of this. All are good funds. Like Bajaj, very good here. If you consider this, DMart is also doing very well as of now, but stock is not going up. If I say Infosys, because of recent. So like, because of this all happening. If I consider this equity, look at this equity, 89%, it's equity, 91%, 95%, cash, so what I was saying is, if I am comparing with other top large cap mutual fund, why Axis is not performing well? Because asset allocation, you can see holding holding is this, which like Pidilite, Info is this, even all, even no investment by this Tata Motors, nothing by these two. Tata Motors is going up, then we can take like Pidilite, Info is Bajaj wins also. Like I can say there is a good chance it will grow by if anyone, like any lots of things, lots of good fund here. If I count 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I think major 25 are listed here. Total stock I think invested is 39. 25 major 25 are showing here. Sector wise, if you can see distribution, so only 26%, 30%, but this is almost 40%. If something happened with finance, it will go up. Tech wise, it is very down, but it is again almost same to this ICC. Services again, ICC Bluechip is bullish on service as compared to these two, and this is also bullish. Nippon automobile, these two are thinking too much. Energy consumption is stable. So already look at this communication. But these are the portfolio. I think based on that we can think why this blue chip is not performing well, because of this, which is not going. Avenue Shumar market not going. Bajaj Finserv, it is also like not performing well. Let's look at this. So, this indicates the increase and decreases which are in holding since last portfolio. So almost you can see there is no holding, but it's decreasing. Holding decreased in ICC Bank, Avenue, Supermarket, TCS, increase in Reliance, Infosys decrease. This like here you can see sign is decrease in this holding. It's kept same, whatever holding here you can see indicates which no change holding since the last portfolio. So decreased and increase in Tata Motors, Asian Paint. So lots of change happened in this fund. Let's see how is that growth will come in future. This is all the details launch. These are the star KFin technology. These are the address and other detail of ICC. I think I can show you other fund which is not performing well or which is in next video.